Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The error code DTC U1281 signifies a communication failure between the blind spot information BSI radar unit and the main intelligent control unit MICU or body control module BCM in the 2023 Honda Accord. This is a crucial issue as the BSI radar units, located on the vehicle's left and right side exterior, are responsible for detecting vehicles in adjacent lanes, aiding in blind spot monitoring. The loss of communication can lead to functionality issues in critical safety and driving assistance features, requiring immediate attention. The associated components, the MICU and BCM, are typically situated within the vehicle's cabin and play vital roles in the overall vehicle network. The MICU handles various vehicle functions and receives critical operational signals, while the BCM oversees body-related systems and communications. Identifying and resolving the communication issue is essential to restore full functionality of the BSI system. DTC U1281 indicates that the BSI radar unit has lost communication with either the MICU or BCM. The BSI radar unit is essential for monitoring surrounding vehicles and ensuring safe lane changes. If the radar unit is unable to communicate, either the MICU or BCM may not be functioning as intended, leading to a potential breakdown in safety features like blind spot monitoring. These components work together through the Body Controller Area Network, BCAN, to transmit data between different modules within the vehicle. If communication fails, the BSI unit will flag this issue and store the DTC, prompting a thorough troubleshooting procedure. Understanding the interconnectivity of these components is key to diagnosing and resolving the issue effectively. The potential causes of DTC U1281 include a failure in the power or ground circuit associated with the body control module. If there is inadequate power supply or grounding issues, it can disrupt communication between the BSI radar unit and the control modules. Furthermore, the BCM itself may have malfunctioned, leading to stored DTCs if it does not initialize correctly during startup. Lastly, a faulty BSI radar unit can lead to the inability to communication with the MICU or BCM. Each of these causes must be investigated thoroughly to pinpoint the exact source of the communication loss, as understanding the failure mechanism is crucial for accurate repairs. Symptoms associated with DTC U1281 can manifest as malfunctions in the blind spot monitoring system. The driver may notice an absence of alerts indicating vehicles in their blind spots, making lane changes riskier. Additionally, warning lights on the dashboard may illuminate, indicating issues with the vehicle's safety systems. Other visual or audio alerts related to driving support systems could also present themselves, providing further evidence of the communication failure. These symptoms underscore the importance of the BSI radar unit's function and communicate not just operational failures, but potential safety risks to the driver and passengers alike. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U1281 is to turn the vehicle ignition to the on position. This action initializes the electronic systems, allowing the MICU and BCM to start communicating with the BSI radar units. It is essential to wait for at least 5 seconds to ensure that all diagnostic checks can be performed effectively. During this time, the system is preparing itself to check for active error codes and confirm the status of the radar units and control modules. If the communication issue persists after this step, the technician can then proceed to further diagnose the power and ground circuits, or delve into the specific control modules for deeper inspections. After completing the necessary repairs, it is pivotal to verify that the issue is fully resolved. This involves checking for the reoccurrence of DTC U1281 through the diagnostic tool. The technician must also test the functionality of the blind spot information system to ensure it is operating correctly. If the system responds appropriately and no DTCs are present, this indicates a successful repair. If issues persist, further inspection may be necessary, examining connections, grounds, and even replacing components if deemed faulty. Verification is a crucial step to ensure that all safety features are restored and functioning effectively. For ongoing reliability and performance of the blind spot information system, regular preventive maintenance is essential. This includes routine checks of the electrical system to ensure that the power and ground circuits to the MICU and BCM are intact. Technicians should also inspect the connectors associated with the BSI radar units to ensure they are clean, free from corrosion, and securely attached. Keeping an eye on these elements can help prevent future communication failures and ensure optimal functionality of the overall safety systems. Furthermore, following manufacturer guidelines for maintenance can help identify and mitigate potential issues before they escalate into major problems. In conclusion, addressing DTC U1281 is imperative for maintaining the safety features of the 2023 Honda Accord. Understanding the roles of the BSI radar unit, BIQ, and BCM is fundamental to diagnosing and resolving communication failures. Regular inspections of the power and ground circuits and the associated electrical components can prevent such issues from arising in the future. The symptoms of BSI system failures are significant and can impact driver safety, making timely repairs essential. By following a structured troubleshooting process, technicians can ensure that repairs are effectively implemented, restoring full functionality to the vehicle's advanced safety systems and improving the overall driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.